Brianna and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be making pretty much a mac and cheese with chicken and broccoli. So it sounds very delicious. The recipe calls for shell macaroni, but I already have Elba macaroni, so we're just going to go with that instead. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to see more content like this. I'll be putting out videos every Thursday and Sunday afternoon, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's get right into it. Okie doke, so this recipe calls for some macaroni, some broccoli, it calls for cooked chicken, but you know, we will get there. Some butter, flour, milk. I'm just using unsweetened vanilla almond milk because that's my favorite. And some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and sharp cheddar cheese. It also calls for chicken broth, but I don't have that. So I'm just gonna use water probably. Alright, so Alright, so the very first step is going to be to cook the chicken, and I'm just going to put a little bit of garlic powder, salt, and pepper on it and cook it on the stovetop. Alright, while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and boil some water, and whenever the pasta is almost done, 2 to 3 minutes before, you're going to put the broccoli in as well. And then you'll drain it, and then we'll see what happens next. Alright, while the macaroni is finished cooking, I'm going to go ahead and start on the next step, which is to melt butter in a large skillet over medium heat. And you're going to add in flour and stir that for 1 minute. And then you're going to slowly whisk in milk and chicken broth, in my case water, and the garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And you're going to cook that and stir it constantly until it is bubbling and thickened. And then you're going to remove from the heat and add in the cheese mixture until it's all mixed. macaroni is done. Came out very cheesy, so probably delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and let me see, 1 second. Okay, I have chicken, broccoli, and macaroni. That was really good. It was kind of a big bite. Alright, I definitely recommend making this. It was very, very good. I don't know if I made the sauce right, because I don't know, it never really like thickened or bubbled, or I mean it thickened a little bit, but it didn't really like bubble or do exactly what it was supposed to do, so I don't know, it still tastes pretty good, so that's what matters. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this from me. And if you have an idea on what I should make next time, leave a comment down below, and if I make it, I will give you a shout out. If you like the video, please send it to your friends and your parents and everyone you love. Thank you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!